A brand new series featuring myself? Greetings, Star Wars Stackers. How you doing? I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. If you're new to the channel, I'm a guy in a bucket talking about precious metals, so make sure you hit the subscribe button, get the bell notification clicked, and that way you get updated with any new content. Today I am introducing a new series. It's called the Guards of the Empire series, and it's featuring myself on the front, and I am very excited for it. I don't typically purchase collector's items that have really high premiums. However, I felt that this piece in particular was awesome. Obviously, it spoke to my channel, so I figured I had to get it. But these have very limited mintage, only about 2,000 in the world. And while they are colorized, they are awesome. So why don't we take a look at these awesome new coin bars, whatever you want to call them, featuring myself. So these came up on my radar about a month or so ago, and I was very excited, to say the least, and told a few of my friends about these, and some people saw them, and other people really haven't been paying too much attention to this all new series, which is Star Wars related. I am very excited for this series, and they were selling out very quickly within the New Zealand Mint's website. Let me just take this out. I'm gonna make sure that I don't have any, okay, there's my packing slip. I'll throw that down there. I am very excited. Oh, that's a little bit easier. A pull tab here. But this is very exciting, to say the least. I haven't really purchased anything to this magnitude in terms of collectability, but because of the theme, it goes with the channel, I figured I may as well. Anyhow, this is the Guards of the Empire series. This is the first series, and you know what I might end up doing is I may either fast forward through this. We'll see. I gotta be a little bit careful because the packaging on these is awesome from what I saw on the website, and I don't want to, I see it right there, I don't want to cut the packaging. That would devalue the pieces. Check that out. That is awesome. All right, Guards of the Empire Stormtrooper. I got 4 of these bad boys. Let me just I'll cut right into here. This looks like the easier route. Wow, they didn't mess around when it came to packaging. All right, I'm curious as to what I got in terms of the serial number. There are only 2,000 of these in existence, and I jumped right on this series. So let's see, we got 1, very nice packaging, 2, and I'm excited to see these bars. They're coin bars. When I first started seeing coin bars a handful of months ago, it kind of threw me off. I didn't understand the coin bars. Anyway, okay, so we got StarWars.com. We're just going to open up the first one, and here's a certificate of authenticity from the New Zealand Mint, and it looks like I got number 882. 2020 Guards of the Empire Stormtrooper, 1 ounce, 999 fine silver, limited edition, 2,000 pieces. So I got number 882. Let's see. That is awesome. Check that out. I don't want to really do a face reveal. Wow. Okay. This is a lot nicer in person than what the pictures do online. Comes in this really substantial lucite display case, but check that out. And I'm not big into the colorized items, but guys, they did a really good job capturing my likeness, wouldn't you say? Looks just like me. You got all the stormtroopers in the background ready for battle, and almost, yeah. And then let's flip this around. Look at that. Very nice, kind of like antique finish there on the Queen. Kind of has like a recessed, I'm not quite sure why there's like this kind of hole back there. That's interesting, but very nice. So this is number 882. I'm wondering Why is there that hole there? I don't understand. Anyhow, but that is awesome. So this is number 882. Let's put this here. I'm going to guess that I got 882, 83, 84, 85. We'll find out, won't we? So there's that one. Let's check out this one. We got number 881. Okay. Very cool. Look at that. It's so nice. And then over here we got number... Let's see, this is... Oops. 859. I should have called New Zealand Mint and been like, hey, you know, you got a picture of me on your bar there. Why don't you, you know, send me number 1? And I'm thinking 858. What do we got here? 893. So I was all over the map here. 893. If you haven't had the opportunity yet to go online and buy these guys, they sell out quickly. They only have so many of them available on their website at any given time. And again, you know, these will run you, you know, at the time that I purchased them, they were about 80 bucks a piece with free shipping, but a lot of, you know, secondary market resellers are already selling these for more. So if you're on the fence about these, you know, guys, if Star Wars is your thing, I mean, this is awesome. Very cool piece. I will be collecting this series. And being that it's Guards of the Empire, it's got to be, you know, the different soldiers and units that protect the Empire. So I would imagine you would have the biker scouts, maybe some snow troopers, perhaps some Sith. You know, it's no telling what direction they're going to go with. TIE fighters, Imperial officers. They could go on and on. But this, I'm so glad that this was the first. So what do I give these on the Death Star meter? Easily a 5 out of 5. They did a great job with the packaging. This is such a nice piece to display. And while it does cost around, you know, 80 to 85 bucks an ounce, it's just a really cool collector's piece. The depth in the, you know, the depth of the Star Wars, or the depth of the Stormtroopers on the bar here. They did a great job at the different levels. I'm looking at the Stormtrooper, and the one thing I do notice that is off is the arm here. The shoulder bell, and that's what this piece of armor is called on the shoulder, comes out too far from the arm. It wouldn't stick out like that. You'd have a little bit more of the arm kind of up here, or the shoulder bell in a little bit further, but hey, you know, what are you gonna do? Anyway, awesome piece. Highly recommend it, and check it out, guys. NewZealandMint.com. So there you guys have it, the all-new Guards of the Empire series, featuring myself. Anyhow, if you like this video, please check out that video. This video is also awesome. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and long live the Empire.